You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary and names too many people get wrong. Stay tuned. So that comes from French, and in French it's said as paillete. Essentially the I-double-L comes down to a Y sound. So paillete is how you'd want to say it, even though it is said in English as palette. So palette is not incorrect. It is the English way of saying it, but paillete, it's also accepted in English, and it's really closer to the French, so paillete is a lot better. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate the support. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.